guys, punta ako sa may disco po. May disco.
Unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting drunk, drunk. Boys should touch my junk. Gotta try when you get too drunk, drunk. Till they kick us out. The police shut us down, down. Police shut us down, down. Police shut us down, down. Cause that's my plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands. Give me space for both my hands. You, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah. Up in the air sometimes, saying hey, oh, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life. Saying hey, oh, baby, let's go. Cause we gon' rock this.
May disco din eh.
I came to move. Get out the way of me and my crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do. Yeah, came here to do.
That was God. Sayos God.
Yeah, cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Hands up in the air sometimes, saying hey, gotta let go. I wanna saying hey, baby, let's go. Cause we gon' rock this club. We gon' go all night. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. Cause I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it up like it's dynamite. Not working hard. Yeah, we're fixing that with a Kodak. Or better yet, with a time frame. Take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive. I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Nadia, Neo,
Dami po tao dito kasi may disco po. Karong tataon, disco sila. Uwi na ako mga ka-reels kasi patulogin ko ang aking anak. Hindi po ako mag-disco. Matulog na lang ako. Thanks for watching. Bye!